Is your WhatsApp notification not working on your Apple Watch? This can happen due to notification settings, Bluetooth connection issues, or focus mode being enabled. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not showing on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before we start, make sure these basic settings, single tap on the power button, make sure that your Do Not Disturb mode is turned off, then scroll down a little bit, make sure to turn off silent mode as well. Now, follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Change Apple Watch notification settings. Open up the Settings app, tap Notifications, then toggle on the Notifications indicator. Scroll down and turn on all the options here, and then tap Show Notifications on wrist down. Now make sure to enable Show Notifications. Scroll down and toggle on the WhatsApp app to get notifications from. And also enable these settings from your iPhone Watch app as well. Solution 2. Change WhatsApp notifications from iPhone. Grab your iPhone, open the WhatsApp app, tap Settings from the bottom right corner, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Notifications. Make sure to enable all the settings except Clear Badge. Tap Reset Notification Settings here. Tap Reset. It will reset all your WhatsApp notification settings. If you're still facing the same problem, then follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Allow notifications on iPhone. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Notifications. Scroll down again and find the WhatsApp app. Tap on it. Now simply toggle on the Allow Notifications option. Hope your issue is solved now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and solutions. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.